Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. I am broadcasting to you from Rockland County, New York, where I'm holding an Omni camp on the road. Camp's been fantastic, but I wanted to show you this video. This video is coming at you on a Tuesday night for trading Wednesday, August 2nd, 2023. Please remember the risk involved in trading. It's a very risky endeavor. You can get wiped out in this game. Never, ever, ever trade without putting in protective stops first. The Omni has turned neutral. Neutral Omni for trading. In fact, I'll write it for you so that you see what I'm saying. A neutral Omni for trading on Wednesday. Neutral Omni for Wednesday. So that means the Omni sees something going on and wants us to stay away. All right, well, let's take a look at the chart. NASDAQ Daily Bar. This is an average that I have shown you in webinars, seminars, in my chat room, in videos, and it's still working today. NASDAQ Daily Bar Chart, look at all the tests of this average, and it holds. Test, held, test, held. You even call that a test. Held, test, held, test, held, test, held, test, held. Another test coming tomorrow. What should happen? The pattern is it should hold. If somehow it doesn't hold, well, something new is developing. We'll deal with it then. For now, we're looking at this as it's supposed to hold because that's what it does, and that's what it does. A pattern is a pattern until it stops repeating. So we're going to just consider it will hold until it tells us something different, but we're not buying anything because the Omni has gone neutral. So I wanted to share that with you so you know what we're looking at for trading U.S. indices. It's neutral in NASDAQ, S&P, Russell. It's neutral across the board. Does not want us in indices for trading tomorrow. However, I have other markets I'm looking at, and I will trade absolutely if they set up. So pay attention to the flash updates, and I will update you with a flash, of course, with instructions if we get close to an Omni reaction level. I'd also like to remind you that there's an OMNIAC meetup happening this week, Thursday. If you're watching this video on Wednesday, it is tomorrow. Let me make this bigger. OMNIAC meetup here in Rockland County. I've got OMNIACs coming in from the tri-state area, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and we're all getting together on Thursday at 1 p.m. If you'd like to join me, shake my hand, hang out with me for a while. We're having an OMNIAC meeting, a get-together, and a little presentation at the same time. It'll be on Thursday at 1 p.m. up here in Rockland County. Email me. I will leave my email under this video. Let me know if you want to come up, and come on up. 1 o'clock on Thursday, I'll give you the address and the information. Make sure you email me. And then there's this. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Please put your stops in first. Check with me and see what trades we're going to do tomorrow because they won't be in the indices. And I hope to see you all at the OMNIAC meetup this Thursday in Rockland County. Email me or call me, 702-629-4755. Someone will answer that phone and give you the information. Or, of course, email me is best, and I will contact you. Good luck out there, traders. Put your stops in first. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.